just about set there, Eric?
Yes.
All right. Hi there and welcome back to the show. Today on our how-to project with the help of Eric here, we're going to replace an anode rod in our hot water tank. And first of all, welcome to the program, Eric.
Nice to see you again.
And let's talk about this anode rod. Why do we need to replace this?
Due to electrolysis in a metal tank, due to electrical current, it helps provide corrosion.
Okay, and essentially an anode rod sacrifices itself for the tank, right?
That's correct.
So inside this tank right now, we've got an anode rod, but it probably doesn't look like that.
No, it's probably eaten away in some form.
Okay, and that's why we need to replace it. We also have a flushing tool there as well, right?
That's correct.
And what do we do with this guy?
That goes into the hole and cleans out the calcium using a water hose.
Okay, so these are the parts of the project, and what do we need to do here first?
First thing we do is make sure the water pump is off so it's not filling up the tank.
Good idea. We've done that.
Yes, we have.
Okay, and secondly?
Second thing we do is we release the pressure valve.
Okay.
It's a safety device due to overloading heat.
And we got a little water coming out right now.
That's a good sign.
Okay, so we release the pressure, and now what do we need to do?
We take a 1/16 socket.
Right there?
And remove the anode rod.
Okay, let's do it. You can loosen it with your hand here. Huh?
Yeah, you should be able to.
All right, so now we're going to be looking at an old anode rod, and here comes some gunk.
Oh,
wow.
boy.
Look at that. And look at the condition of this anode rod. Wow, that is all eaten away, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So what do we got coming out of here now, Eric?
We have the water, of course, and if the camera can see inside the hole there, you'll notice there's a lot of calcium
buildup. Look at all those pieces. So that's what was inside the tank, and that's why we need to flush it all out of there.
Yes.
How long is this going to take now to get all the water out?
Well, at this point, it should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Look out.
Okay, look out. Here it comes. And look at all this stuff. Wow. And those are all calcium deposits inside the tank?
That's correct.
So this is what was inside the tank. This is all calcium deposits right here, right, Eric?
That's correct.
Wow, look at all that stuff. And here's what's amazing is look at that old anode rod compared to the new one that we're going to put in there.
Yes.
And that is almost all eaten away.
That's correct.
And it sacrificed itself so that the tank didn't have this happen to it.
That's correct.
Okay, so now you have the flushing tool, and what's next?
We're going to insert this tool and then turn it on and move it in a circular motion,
right,
as well as possibly scrape the walls with it.
Okay, here, let's do it. You turn on your water, and yes, now you're flushing that tank. And how often do you have to do this?
I recommend at least once a year.
Once a year you do this?
If you're an average camper,
yeah,
I would suggest maybe twice a year.
Okay. And we're doing this to a Suburban tank because it has the anode rod, but an Atwood does not.
That's correct.
So we're clean inside now?
Yes, we are, Stu.
Ready for the new anode rod?
That's correct.
And you can pick one of these up for about 10 bucks?
That's correct, too.
Okay, now we're going to put some Teflon tape on here, just to make sure we got a nice seal, right?
That's right.
Okay, just roll that baby on there. And you want to do the honors installing the new rod?
Sure, I'd love to.
Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
And then it'll be good for another year or so?
At least 8 months.
Okay, so you hand tighten it first?
Yes, it can be a little cumbersome at times. You make sure you don't want to cross thread it.
Right, don't want that to happen.
Teflon tape will make it hard to put in by hand.
Okay, so I need your tool there.
Yes. You want to do it slowly to make sure that you don't compromise the threads.
And you know when you've got a nice fit there. We're done for another 8 months to a year.
That's correct.
Beautiful. Can I have this as a souvenir?
You may.
All right. Thanks much, Eric.
You're welcome, Stu.
Okay, we'll be right back.